everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and I just got the, I guess this is DEWENWILS extension cord connection box. I already got this brand, as you saw. I got their timer, their smart timer, which is awesome. We use it for the air conditioner. It works with Alexa. It's great. It's like the coolest thing that we installed, and we really like it. So hopefully the brand is, a really good brand, at least from that. I got this to put outside because we are going to do decorations, Halloween, Thanksgiving, whatever. We're going to put decorations outside. I have Route 46 East in front of my house. That's on the way to New York, George Washington Bridge. Gets a lot of cars, and I figured I can give everyone who travels on there, some entertainment, stuff to look at while they're, on their way to work or on their way to New York, or, whatever the case may be, just to try to bring some joy into people's lives, right, around the holidays. So that's why I got this for. So you're going to see me use it in action. This is just going to be the unbox. Looks like, if you guys want to pause that and read kind of like, what they tell you on there. So I put a ruler here, how I like to put rulers in my videos, so you guys can kind of scale, what I'm dealing with, because I have little hands, and some people might have big hands, and blah, blah, blah. So here's the instructions, just in case you lose yours. You guys can give that a pause, because I'm known to lose my directions. I just see that opens up like this. It pops right out, opens up, and there we go. That's what we got. This has a rubber lining, it looks like, in the top part of it, as you can see, a white one. It doesn't protrude out that far, so I don't know how waterproof or water resistant this is going to be. If you notice, it does protrude out some parts, but not really that much. So hopefully it seals. But you know what? It looks like this on the inside is raised about 1/8 of an inch, and then this little lip goes up in this channel, and then it seals it. So now I get it. I just didn't notice that. Here's the ports right here on the front. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These ports, so I can hold it up. See, they're about what, 1/2 inch big. All right, and then you got these ports as well over here. These look like box connector ports. So you'd be able to put, this is 1 inch in diameter. I guess you could knock out the smaller one and get like 3 3/4, 3/8, I don't know, whatever. You can knock these out and put electrical connections in there if you want, so that's cool. There's nothing on the top, and that's kind of all we got here of what it looks like. This thing, it just comes out really easily, as you guys can see. See, that comes out. This is like the gripper, I guess, or the clamp you're going to be putting on the wire. This is all rubber in here, so the wire is going to sit in there, and these don't really move, but they're small, so that when you put the wire in there, it'll kind of grip it. See what I mean? So that's kind of what's up right there. Do I have a wire? So I found this randomly, so we could just try to put this in together to see what it's going to look like. So there you go. It's going to go like that. See the little grip in there kind of holds it, and it opens it up at the bottom right there. You're going to plug in your thing. They have screws in here. I don't know if you can mount or do anything with them. I'm not sure. It does have mounting screws on the back, so you can mount it to a wall if you need to mount it to the wall. So it goes in like so, like that. It's going to just go just like this, snap it into place. Okay, so you push this in, and that's going to snap, and it's going to make it water resistant over here. It's not going to be waterproof, it's going to be water resistant. You want something more waterproof, you're looking at the connectors that connect like that, and they twist and it pulls it in. You're looking for some kind of different thing. If you're looking for a waterproof, this is water resistant, weather resistant, so as long as it's above ground outside, you'll be fine. You can't bury this in the ground or anything. I wouldn't do that. You're just looking for problems. And that's it. It grips in, and then you can plug in your stuff, and then you can have a bunch of them line up. I mean, it's a really simple design. It's really easy. I'm not sure how much this was, but no matter what, you need something outside if you're going to be doing your holiday decorations. If you're just using any kind of electrical tape, anything else, eventually it's going to break down. Eventually it's going to cause a short, and then you're not going to know what's going on in the house because your grandpa or dad, taped up some wires years ago, and then they, to put decorations, and they buried them outside, and then, we had a short on one of our breakers. Couldn't figure out what the heck was going on, where it was, and then go outside, and I find an extension cord together with a bunch of tape around it. Like I said, I mean, hey, it lasted like By the time, but that lasted like 10 years by the time we found out that it was all, you know, broken and stuff. But no matter what, it caused a problem. You don't want to do that. This will be a much safer and easier design for everybody that's looking into decorations or anything else that you want to put outside, that you're going to need some kind of weather resistant junction box. All right, so that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on this little you know, thingy dingy right here. Here's the depth. I'm sorry, I didn't measure the depth. So the depth is 3 inches. Okay, so it's 3 inches deep. Like I said, this is here so I can hold it. You guys can see that, and then you guys can see that. All right, so you guys already can see the size yourself. That's it for Glen Velvet reviews on, you know, a little unboxing and a small review of this, not really an updated. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right? If you're interested in this or you're ordering anything off Amazon, you can click the link below, and that does help support the channel a very small amount. Like I said, that's it. Everyone be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye. Enjoy.